Good morning. I'm back. Took a couple days off, Monday and yesterday, and it was probably one of the best things ever. I did look at the charts for, brief moments here and there, but taking this time off definitely helped clear my mind, and I feel super refreshed. All right, digging into the charts. We're going to look at the 1 hour real quick. So what happened on the 1 hour? The 1 hour fair value gap was taken again. It dug deep into it, and literally ticked the bottom of this fair value gap. Wow, that's insane. All right, so if you look at this wick right here, the bottom of this fair value gap, this is the high. That's 53.50. The low is 52.50. So it broke it by one handle and started moving up. Okay, so we're going to see what happens here with this fair value gap. We are in a market maker sell model at the moment. Digging into the 15-minute chart, it looks like it wants to head down lower, possibly take out those lows. Here, previous day's lows. There are equal lows down here as well that I marked. I don't even know when I marked that, but I probably marked it a couple weeks ago. A week ago or something. So if we see price come down into this area today, I wouldn't be surprised. But overall, the market is still bullish. Price is digging into this order block here, which is also in line with this daily fair value gap. So we could see price dig back into this daily fair value gap in the long term. But because we're trading the 1 minute, we're going to be focusing on 15-minute or even the 1 hour to kind of draw our bias for today. Looking at the 15-minute chart, 8:30 open. There was some volatility at 8:30 open, but not much because we do have 2 p.m. news. All right, so we do have 2 p.m. news today, and then the rest of the week we're clear. I don't think I'm going to be trading the AM session. I did take a couple trades this morning because I thought I saw a perfect setup. And this is one position, not two positions. This should be one position. This was actually a loss. And then I did take a mini contract down. So I made a mistake of entering a mini at first, and I closed it out real quick. Yep, I basically took a 2-day break and came back and nothing changed. So use me as an example of what not to do. Started trading minis again. I started revenge trading. All logic went out the window, and I am in a long position. It's just none of this makes sense. My actions don't make sense. But here I am. It's okay though. Like if this doesn't work out, it doesn't work out. You just gotta move on to the next. And when I say if this doesn't work out, I'm talking about this trade and this funded account. Just to give you all an update, my funded account, I can't lose more than $2,213.88. Basically, my account can't go negative $2,200, right? And I basically am about to lose all of my gains from last week. So, with that being said, anything can change in the flip of a switch. I don't know why I just can't stay away from minis. I think it's just the appeal of large, quick wins, and that's something that needs to stop. Like something needs to be turned off in my brain. Like I don't know how to reset that part of my brain. Like not wanting large, quick gains. So I've basically lost everything that I've worked for in the past week. And if I do lose this account, then I'll be starting over on a funded account or on a combine account trying to get funded again. So it is what it is. But I just wanted to share that with y'all, that came back from a 2-day trading break and nothing changed. But it's okay. I'm gonna stay positive, and I'm gonna say I'm gonna try again. I'm not gonna give up. There are these things just don't change overnight. These things are disciplines that need to be practiced every day, and I can't expect to change overnight. And if anybody expects me to change overnight, then that it's unrealistic. And for those that are tuning in and wanting to learn how to trade, this is a perfect example of what not to do. All right, taking more trades than you need to, just entering trades based off emotions and wanting to make back what you lost. Like, those are the things that you should not do, and I am definitely just doing. So just keep that in mind. Don't do it. Just stay away from the charts if you lose 2. I changed this to 4 because I thought I could handle 4, but definitely not. I need to change that back to 2. Overestimated, underestimated, I don't know. I thought that I could do more than 2 losses, but I really can't. And this is something that needs to be implemented, and I need to stick to. So that's where I am. Let's see where this trade goes, and yeah. Moving my stop up. Risk-free trade. I'm targeting, I should be targeting London high. So yeah, that last trade I got stopped out right here, obviously. And I did enter a short trade down to New York low. I do think it's going to go a little bit lower because all of this was just chop, chop, chop. So I'm going to bring down my take profit. Down to my original relative equal lows, and I'm going to stick to it. I'm not going to move it. I'm not going to do nothing. That's where I'm targeting. You know what? I should move my stop to here. Risk-free trade. Alright, looks like I got stopped out. I was just interrupted. But let's see. That wasn't a loss. That was a $21 gain. So I believe that this is going to go short. We're going to short right here. We're going to short 1 micro contract here. Actually, you know what? I'm going to wait. I wanted to do a little reflecting before I just kind of went nuts with the trading. So I thought that this was the manipulation leg here, but in reality, this was the manipulation leg. And if you remember in the beginning of the video, I said that the 2 fib was in line with, London high, which isn't the case because this is the manipulation leg there. So price is targeted the 2 fib here, which is in line with the narrative because London low was taken out before NYC opened, so there's going to be a continuation, right? I'm going to be expecting to take price down into this level. The news at 2 o'clock could potentially bring that down and then send price up, or it could send price up and then bring it back down. I don't know, but we are going to wait now. I'm not gonna rush into any more trades. I mean, I've done enough damage to my account right now where I don't know. It's hard. It's hard. It's embarrassing. I don't want to show you my executions just yet. I'm gonna show you everything. I'm gonna be transparent, even though I don't want to because it's embarrassing. But I'll show you anyway. I'm going to be waiting until 2 o'clock after the Fed minutes are released, and then we'll start looking for a trade. Alright, looking at the chart right now, I kind of want a short right here, even though I know I probably shouldn't, but you know what? I'm just going to hold off. I'm not going to do anything rash anymore because I've been burned so bad. So I just got to wait. We're going to see what price does at 2 o'clock. I just need to be patient, man. I entered here. There's a fair value gap entry that I missed. So my stop is going to be right here. And then my take profit is going to be down here. Reason why I'm going to be moving my take profit down there. 2 fib right here from this manipulation leg, so I am going to be targeting that. Let's see how this goes. This is kind of just teetering around there. What is the rest of the market doing? All right, the Dow Jones showing some bearish divergence. Okay, so we are on the right side of the trade, I believe, in my opinion. And again, my account is close to being locked out today, so if I don't get my account locked out today, we got a lot of work to do to bring it back to glory, to where it once was. Man, this is the repercussions of not following your trade plan and not following your rules of not trading any minis. Right? So I actually brought this on myself. There's nobody else that I can that I can blame for the results today that y'all will see later. Okay, so that's about 4R on a 46 tick stop loss. Not bad. So while we're waiting for this to either hit my stop loss or my take profit, how are y'all doing today? Leave a comment down below. Let me know what trade y'all took, if y'all kept your rules or not. I definitely failed to keep my rules, and if I did, then I would not be down this much. If I was patient and just followed my trade plan, I would not be down this much. Alright, my account is locked out because I was trying to scalp a mini. Trade summary. Let's talk about it. It's really bad. I came in starting the day pretty well, and then everything just went to crap. I mean, honestly, the main problem is me trading minis and then over trading also. It's the same old story. I mean, I took this 2-day off to kind of refresh my mind, but my mind was definitely rested, but the issues still remain. So it's going to take a lot longer for me to be more disciplined, which is fine, right? I'd rather take the time to really work on myself to become a profitable trader and a consistent trader than to rush the process and then continue to make the same old mistakes. I know to y'all it looks like I'm making the same mistakes, but in my eyes, from the beginning of the year, I've actually made a lot of progress. This is my second funded trading account, and it's probably the longest I've actually have held a funded trading account since I've started this YouTube channel. I had I've had other funded trading accounts which I've actually withdrawn money from, but this is the second one this year that's been recorded, that's been documented. If you look at this, I actually have locked out my account, and I basically have $1,000 more in net liquidity left until this account gets blown. So until then, I'm going to try to salvage this account, and I need to get back to the roots of the discipline. It is salvageable. It might take some time, but it is definitely doable. So far, my P&L is minus 1,200. Today was a horrendous day. Oh man, it basically wiped out everything that I did last week, plus more. So I'm back to square one from when I lost $855 minus another 500, or maybe minus another 400. So that's where I am at the moment. I'm going to write down my journal entry and let y'all know what happened, but that's what it is. This is embarrassing, but I have to show y'all. I don't want to, but I have to. This is everything these are all the trades that I've taken. And then this is the madness that I do not want to show you. This is the craziness. I mean, why did I do this? This is just not okay. But anyways, I came back from a 2-day break and nothing's changed. My mindset is better though. I mean, I feel a lot better. I feel more refreshed. The only thing that I've got to work on is, the same old things. Nothing's changed. But you know what? It's okay. I'm gonna keep telling myself that it's okay. At the end of the day, it is okay. It's a trading funded account. I'm working on becoming a better trader, and I do see progress from the beginning of the year. And this is my journey. I do want to be better, but I am understanding that it will take a lot of time. Nothing's going to change with the snap of a finger, so I've got to continue to work hard on changing myself, and I believe that I can. So yeah, I don't like this video. I don't like sharing my losses and me losing my discipline, not following my rules. I don't like sharing my losses, but this has been recorded. This has been documented. I'm going to use it. I'm going to study it. And if y'all like this video, then please like. If you want to join me on my journey, please subscribe, and I'll catch y'all tomorrow.